I've been learning how to live with the bees. Today there were like hundreds again. Look how many bees are in here. I just boiled them. These bees, we are leaving here tomorrow. These bees are trying to get the water. Look, that one just came out in the drain too. Oh, they're under there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not so scared of them anymore. Camping out by those rocks would be cool, so that's where we're headed. We'll see if we can get there. I think that's where the birds nest. All right, let's take a look around here. This was the gnarliest road I've ever taken the Scamp on. Let's take a look at the damage on the inside here. It's not too bad. Really not that bad. I tried to park level, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. Sun's just about to set. We're using a Bisquick pancake mix. I don't have a measuring cup, so I'm using this. So, that's what it is. Oh. Just eyeball this cup of milk. All right, mix it up. I give Hudson a little bit of like ground beef or something with his food. Everything's just kind of coated in a layer of like sand, so I'm just gonna sweep it out. It's everywhere. This is lunch. When I tell people I live this way, they think it's like dangerous to be out here, but if anyone was gonna come, I would see them like well in advance. And this way, the only way to get here, you need like four-wheel, you need like a quad or like some UTV dirt bike to come in from this way. So I feel super safe. It also helps that I have cell reception. There's a cell tower right there. So we're gonna leave tomorrow. I like to stretch before I like drive all day. So I'm gonna do like a nice yoga session with the sunset. I'm gonna make myself some green tea. All right, I just went to make some tea and look how many bees are in here. I filled it up with hot water and I was just about to put my tea bag in. There's at least 10 bees in this cup that I just boiled. I just boiled them. But that was crazy. I almost put my tea bag in there. These bees. We are leaving here tomorrow. Okay, we're about ready to go. I wanted to stay at this place for a little longer, but the bees are just too much. Yeah, we're gonna head to Lone Pine. We'll just see where we end up today.